Today, we are going to draw a beautiful butterfly. Are you ready? Let's start with a long circle for the body. Draw 2 little circles. Then, draw a straight line to connect them to the head. Let's make our butterfly happy. Put 2 little dots for the eyes and a curved line for the smile. Draw a big bump to the left and a little bump underneath. Draw a big bump to the right and a little bump underneath. Now, let's dress up our butterfly. Draw one pretty heart inside each top wing. Then, draw one baby circle inside each bottom wing. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.